Hello, hello everyone. I want to make a video about how bad the Facebook design is. The product designers or Facebook are I sometimes I wonder that they make some product and it is maybe due to scale because there is the giga scale of the data which they have to adjust. The background engineering is very good, but front there are some product features which are really amazing, and many times I tried to report even to Facebook that try to one such thing I will tell today. Now at this thing. Now I wanted to write a message here, and I want to use this feature of Facebook where I can you know convert it into an background. uh, I can write something. So the moment I paste it here, see what happens, it goes. Now if I reduce, let's suppose the sentence, it comes up. So you can't even write a single sentence out of it. So as a result you have to miss out many things and then you can write the same thing. Now what's if the background image is provided like that, then that background image can be captured for a longer sentence also. Now you can't write in short forms here when you write. So when you write in short form you will miss out to English grammar, and then also it will look bad. So we have to adjust this in this things. For example, I want to write during the year of COVID, the largest selling product for this year was hand sanitizer. And you know, if I remove this and write it here, see what happens. Now I try to remove one by one. I am removing one by one, you know, it comes back. The moment it crosses this by one space limit, it is out of, see, it is out. Now, and if I write something here, like I write second, I write here second, and first is the hand sanitizers, and second is face mask. Now, if I write in the second line, sometimes it goes well. So like it is going well. The moment I press enter into next line, so if I keep on like entering the space, see what is happening, it is allowing me. And how it is allowing me, it is not even extending the background image. And now when I press enter, it goes automatically, it goes, it can't adjust, and again it is back. So the same, the second point, if I press just one enter, I have entered so many spaces, it allowed. Now if I press just enter here, what happens? It goes. Okay. And so these are the, big, some of the things which product managers should look at. So if such the product management team in Facebook, is not able to cope up with this product offering. So there are so many,
Okay, Abdul, go ahead, take your break, right? Go ahead and take break, guys. This is
uh, there are so many ways in which these things can be put forward.